you're watching here such a beautiful zipper package of heavy demanded fast moving collections which are daily wear demanded Poonam sarees of printed sarees, multiple varieties of the fabrics where you can see here. But today I'm going to show you the exclusive varieties from the printed Poonam sarees. Friends, here is a beautiful turkey satin fabric with a beautiful heavy brand pallu with the onion pinkish color with the beautiful black color combination. Such exclusive varieties you can also purchase. So hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Today I'm going to show you only the daily wear printed Poonam sarees, which starts from only 215 rupees and highest price if I talk about the 460 rupees. But in the market, if I talk about the margin, it goes up to 800, 900, 1200, especially Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. You can also purchase official women wear, especially these collections are very easy to wear. So keep watching this video. Retailers, you can also purchase at factory price. Only at factory price. So please walk down to the Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. These are the very beautiful collections over here. There's an onion pink which I've showed you, and one more pattern I'm going to show you here. So next saree is a beautiful saree of dark mehndi green, which is a beautiful royal blue with the dark red color combination, where I can show you here. The satin fabrics are very pretty with a beautiful color chart. You can see here with the running blouse with a golden color with a brocade pattern, but it's not a brocade pattern. It's the only running fabric of the sari, which comes around 630 meters. This is also a beautiful satin fabric. Turkey satin is heavy demanded for the office women's, easily to wash, not required for the pressing at all. This is a next pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, which is a mountain pattern of the glossy, which is very glossy satin, I can say here. The combination also with the south pattern, which is a beautiful colors of the sari, where you can see the dark purple color, I can say the dark brinjal color, how it comes actually. So the dark brinjal with the dark yellow combination with the mountain cut arrow marks pattern, which is given here. The beautiful, very pretty sari with the printed. Every sari you can take a screenshot. I'm not mentioning here the pattern of the code, which is this is a code called Sun Silk is the code. You can take a screenshots every sari. All these varieties are very pretty. If I talk about the next pattern, which is a chocolate color combination, very pretty of the chocolate color with a sari which is a golden border, heavy border, exclusive fancy royal grand look collections in the fabric of turkey satin fabric. You can see here the dark red printed. This sari you can purchase, and around this is Amazon is the code. In this also you have a beautiful color charts in this exclusive varieties. One more sari which is a very pretty of the dark orange color. Satin fabric is very demanded. Friends, come on, I can say quickly you can take a phone and you can take a mobile and you can easily you can take a screenshot and you can call our online team. You can do live video calling purchase. The dark chocolate color with the cookies color, I can say the leaf printed. These are all the unique latest designs. Retailers, you can make your customers happy. The multiple profitable business you have if it is a fast moving collection in your location, you can go for triple margin. And if I talk about the traditional color and traditional base mini butta printed variety, very pretty. This is turkey silk is the code. The satin silk, which is called, you have a very pretty color with one of the famous Karnataka's color combination, which is bottle green with traditional tomato red color heavy border. This pattern, which is a mini dotted printed butta also, you can see here. This is also turkey silk is the code. All variety here. I love this color combination. Yeah, this is a heavy pallu of the traditional base, and this is the running material of the blouse. See, this is also 630 meters. Coming to the next color combination, which is tiger is the code, dark onion pink. This will be very glossy. It is very shining material actually. That's why here this is a very demanded easy to wash, easy to wear. That's why I'm keep on saying the highlighted thing, that easy to wash and easy to wear. So this is a unique printed varieties. The Kesari Textile is giving you uncountable varieties of fabric: turkey silk, satin, crepe. You have a chiffon, you have a crushed fabric, you have a synthetic, you have a many more varieties. I have a one more settle color of the light colors. This is also, you can see, I have showed you today from 215 rupees to around 450 to 460 rupees. Such a beautiful, very pretty color. See, very beautiful, nice color combination. Here is the dark wine color, one of the light subtle brownish color. This is a print actually. The graphic design department, how they plan and how they color combination, they taste, they check, they combine in the page in the system, then it will go on the fabric. Friends, I have a very beautiful bunches of collections over here. The photocopy of the sari, which is a model photo shoot, and there is a label and the barcode, and there is a colors all 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Every zipper package you have a 4 colors. You know, n number of collections over here. These are all printed Poonam saris of these collections. You can also purchase. No need to worry about damages, quality issue, no quantity issue. Hurry up for these collections to add into your business. I have not mentioned the prices here. Everyone is asking in the comments like, please let us know the price. If I tell you the actual price, because we do have many people are doing a business with us, that's why I'm mentioning in every video, approximately some 215 rupees to 460 rupees you can purchase this turkey satin silk fabric varieties. So hope you enjoy these collections. Please let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, what kind of collections you are looking for, you can share. And I say thank you for many more people that who are texting me and collections you're placing, mentioning the location. I want more viewers to share your feedbacks with me, and you can let me know from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me, subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon, just click it, share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone, and follow the website page, social pages. If you want to start your clothing business, invest, go forward, tie up with manufacturers, take a time, come down to Surat, take a market research level, and based on your location, you can choose a fabric or women apparels, and you can also have a huge profitable business. Ups and downs will be there in the life, but you should not give up. When there is no ups and downs in life, there is no challenges in life, life is not maza, right? If you accept this point, please let me know the thumbs up with the comment box. I end up this video. So please support me. Next video will come up with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.